Hello, how are you? I'm fine. What about you?
We are also doing fine. So, as we're meeting first time, so please introduce yourself first.
Yes. So, my name is Poonam Soni and I am from India and I am preparing for a government exam that is stenographer. And recently, I have created this YouTube channel for improving my speaking skills. So, that's all about me.
Okay, it's nice
Yes.
introduce.
Thank you. Do you also want to introduce yourself?
Here we will also introduce ourselves. First, I will introduce myself. I'm so thankful to you, ma'am, that you have given me an opportunity to tell about myself. My name is Maliha Binte Masood. I studied in class 7 recently, and there are four members in my family: my parents, me, and my brother. As you can see, his name is Muwaj, and we're siblings as well as we're twins. If we tell about my parents, they're both an educated person. My father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. And I think that one special question is very, and I want to tell you that I'm from Bangladesh. I think that this is about myself.
That's very nice introduction.
Thank you.
Okay. And your brother also want to introduce himself?
Yes, thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Muwaj bin Masood, as my sister Maliha told you, and I'm from Naspur district, Bangladesh, as you know, and I hope you know about my country, Bangladesh.
No, I don't know about Bangladesh. Yes,
So,
but
ma'am,
I have heard about Bangladesh.
good. So, ma'am, tell me which state are you from?
I am from Madhya Pradesh in India.
And I study in class 7. We are twins and siblings. I think that's all about us.
Okay, nice introduction, both of you.
So, ma'am, could you please tell us how long have you been using this language?
Yes, I have created my YouTube channel before like 3 months ago. So then I have started my speaking journey, and I have been learning since childhood as a subject. But few months ago, like 3 months ago, I have been learning this as a language.
Okay.
I would like to know from you that your as your mother language is others, so why are you speaking this language?
Yes, my mother tongue is Hindi, and this English language is universal language. Everywhere is used. English is used in everywhere, so that's why I am learning this language, and I am preparing for a government exam that is all in English. So that's why I am putting my effort in this language. So tell me that both of you, why you are learning this language?
A good question for me, for us. So everybody asks us same question that why we are learning this language. So there are a huge reason, but I will tell you the main reason. When I started my English journey in that time, at first my father told us that dear daughter and son, on the importance of our learning English in our country Bangladesh is increasing day by day, and it is an international language, as you know. So we have one goal to go to abroad for studying. So if we want to communication with their people, so we need this language to communicate, because we don't know their language and they also don't know our language. So this is the actually main theme, main reason that we are learning this language. Also, we are running a YouTube channel just for practicing purpose, so that we can improve our spoken English.
Yes, that's why. And English is a mediator language for us, so that's why it is like important language, and everyone should learn this language so they can achieve their goal, whatever they want in their life.
Yes.
What do you do to improve English?
Yes, I do. I don't do lots of work. I do just simple, particular work every single day. First, I practice. I always try to practice to speak in English all time with my sister, and also every single day I'm trying to connect new people so that I can improve my spoken English as well as my communication skills. So just I do it, and without this, I don't do other work.
Yes. And you have your sister, so she is like your partner, speaking partner. So you can
Yeah.
practice daily with her.
Yeah, right. We are a partner and we speak in English each other. We help each other.
So do your parents also speak English?
They can speak in English, but a little bit.
Okay. So what is your mother tongue?
Our mother tongue is Bangla.
Okay. So do you have any other question for me?
Yes, I have a number of questions from you. That how many members are there in your family?
Yes, there are five members in my family. My mother-in-law, father-in-law, and my husband and my little kid. He is 16 months old now, and me.
Great.
So because of him, he is only 16 months. That's why I was not able to connect with you. And finally, today I am connecting to you because of lack of time.
Yes, I know. Sometimes it happens. So
Um, I think that you know English very well. So give us some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English.
Actually, I want to tell you that I'm not a perfect English speaker and I'm not a fluent now. I'm also learning this language and practicing daily. And daily I'm trying to connect with some people so that I can I can maintain my consistency of speaking English because this is not my mother tongue. So I face also lots of difficulties while speaking this language, but I think if we want to learn this language and we want to speak this language, so we have to be consistent and we have to practice on daily basis. So then only we can speak and we can be fluent in this language.
Thank you very much for.
So what do you think that if somebody want to speak this language or learn this language, so what they should do to learn this language?
Yeah, so I think we are also learner as well, and that they have to do at first. They don't know anything about English, so they can start English is by knowing by actually reading grammatical. Also, without grammatical, they can also learn English. Just fast, they have to listen more and more because listening at first because so when we was child we couldn't speak any languages, just we hear, we listen more and more. This is why we can speak our mother language. So I think listening at first that you have to follow or to speak in English, then you have to practice more and more because our mother tongue and we use every time. This is why we can speak in our mother tongue. If we also practice more and more, then we also will be able to speak in English fluently. I think this is the main two actually sector easy steps that you have to follow, and then you have to try to make some simple sentences by yourself.
Yes.
I think that's it.
Yes. Practice is the only key which help us to learn this language and speak this language, definitely. And I want to tell you that few months ago I couldn't speak a single sentence also, but by practicing daily I can speak English.
Yes, that's true. So ma'am, please ask my sister some questions.
Yes. So I don't have many questions. So tell me about your country, Bangladesh.
Okay, the name of my country is Bangladesh. It's so many, not only many big but small country. But if you come here, you can see any kind of mosques, temple, church, and here beautiful natural beauty is very amazing. If you can see, it's a very amazing. There are lots of rivers in my country, and this my country's environment is very good, and there are many positive side in my country, but I won't share this positive side. It's a very use, and if you come here education system is very good, and here there is a number of school, college, university, and also madrasa, you can tell. And I think that I feel very happy to born here my country, and I think that this is it about my country.
Yes. So how many state in your country?
State, we don't say the state, we say division.
Okay. So how many division?
8 division.
A division only.
Okay.
So in your
So
country, how many states?
actually 54 something. I don't know particular. Yes. And I am from Madhya Pradesh, MP.
So can you tell us about your country, India?
Yes. So as I am from India, and I love my country very much, because we all Indians feel like comfortable and here, and my country is very clean, neat and clean, and there are many like religions here, and lots of, as you said, that lots of rivers in Bangladesh. So lots of rivers in India also. So my country is also so beautiful, and if you like get time, or if you will give this opportunity, so definitely you should come India once, and you should like visit this country, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this country very much.
Yes, you will be able to glad to know that my father already has gone to Kolkata for 2 times.
If we get opportunity, definitely we will go there.
Yes, definitely you should come here and visit this India country. So do you have any other question for me?
Yes, we have some question for you. So, ma'am, could you please tell us what do you do to learn English every day?
Yes. So initially, I was watching English movies, English content, and then I have started this YouTube channel. So now I am connecting people like you, who's from a different country or different state. So these kind of conversation is helps me a lot to improve my speaking skills and to improve my vocabulary as well, and as well as it helps me to build my confidence level. So I am doing this kind of things, like and this kind of conversation, and sometime when I get free time, so I watch English content. So this helps me a lot.
So, ma'am, what's your hobby?
Yes. So my hobbies are dancing, singing, and reading also sometime, and sometime cooking also. So there are lots of hobbies in my like list. So tell me, first you, what are your hobbies?
I will tell. Okay, my hobbies number of, but such as like singing song, dancing, speaking English, studying, driving, and so on.
And in my hobbies is one more add, like conversation, doing conversation with different people is also my hobby these days. Okay, so what's your name? Muwaj.
Much. Right.
Um,
Tell me about your hobbies.
Yes, my hobby is editing video, make blogging video, also talking to people in English.
Okay, that's nice. So what do you think that connecting to different people is helps us to improve our English speaking skills?
Could you please ask us some question again? Ask the question.
Connecting to different people, like we are connecting from different countries, so it helps us to improve our speaking skills like English.
Yes, it is
yes.
helping us very much because so when we speak at first we got so much hesitation, but now doing a lots of conversation we conquer our hesitation. You know, hesitation is the main problem that everybody face to speak in English, and this is why I think it is helping us very much to conquer our hesitation as well as to improve our communication skills.
Yes, definitely. I agree with you because initially, when I was making videos or I was doing conversation with some people, so at that time I was feeling very nervous. But now my nervousness is like going out because by practicing and by connecting daily. So it is true that we are connecting people, so our hesitation will go out definitely.
Um, how many language can you speak?
Actually, I can speak Hindi, which is my mother tongue, and English and little bit Marathi.
Okay, so ma'am, if you agree, can you finish this conversation right now?
Yes, because you was messaging me again and again, and I was not able to give you time. So I thought that I should give you time to connect.
Yes.
So from your side, it is enough.
Yes.
Thank you very much
Thank you.
for giving your valuable time.
Thank you very much for giving your valuable time, and you are so cordial to us. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Have a good day. Bye.